Wa alaikum salam. You are Maryam?
Yes.
So we have two Maryams and one Abdurrahman and one Laura. Oh, new member. What's your name? Hello. 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 We have new one. Open your mic. We have two Maryam. We have one Laura and one Abdurrahman. Who else? Your name is Nono. Nono Zaki. But what's your real name? Hello. Unmute yourself. Unmute. Do you hear us? So, do you hear me? Abdurrahman, Laura, Mariam, and Mariam.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, unmute yourself all. Yes, Malak, hello. Open your chat box, our chat box here. I send a link. You can open this link and try this activity. I will share this activity with you now to play it together. Let's open the chat box and open the link. It's easy. Just click the link and open.
Okay, done.
Okay, who else? Abdurrahman done, Mariam and Laura and Mariam. Three Mariams.
What do we pick?
Okay, do you see this one? Here we have a boy or animation boy, and here we have a box.
Wait,
We need to
excuse
move this
me.
box.
Here we have
Yes.
4 options: net force, motion, friction, and acceleration. Which one do we pick?
Okay, open the first one.
Okay.
Open the first option. Yes.
I don't have the same thing that you do.
Same thing? Not?
No.
Okay, open the second one. I'm sorry. Open the second one.
How do I go about? Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, there is.
The same one?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Who else? Abdurrahman. Okay, done. Who else? Mariam. Three Mariams. And Laura. Laura, you open that? Laura, Mariam. Wake up.
Yes.
Open, done?
Yeah.
Try to move this box. How? Applying force on this box to make what? Now we are making what? Push or pull? Oh,
Push.
push?
Yeah.
Nice. Can we pull this box?
No.
No.
No, never pull?
No, we cannot.
Okay. In the real life, if you need to move this box, you have to push the box or pull the box. So, Mr. Can we?
You can pull it with the skateboard.
Yes. Pull the box with a skateboard. Or if we have a smooth surface, the smooth surface can help us to move the box smoothly and easily.
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, can we try? Can you play?
Yeah.
Okay, here we have how many newtons applied force? We have 49. 49 to move. On the skateboard, we have this man carrying this box. We have to apply more to move. It's too heavy.
Yeah.
Okay, can we replace the man with this girl?
Yes.
يلا start. Try that.
Because she has a lighter weight, you can push her easily.
Yes, push it easily. Why? Because the girl has less mass or less weight. But this man is heavy, heavier than this girl. What will happen if we will instead replace this man with this trash ban? It will be easily to move or hardly?
Easier to move.
Easier?
Yeah.
Yes, easier to apply. Okay, if we will replace this trash or this box with a, what is that?
Present.
Yes, present box. And push it. Push it. It will be easily. Easy
Yeah.
peasy. Easier than the little girl and easier than more this man and also easier than the trash ban. Yeah, mister, what will happen if we will replace with this fridge?
It was
Wow,
harder.
it will be too heavy. Easy peasy.
Mm,
It's easy.
No, it's not easy.
No.
Not easy peasy lemon squeeze. It's not lemon at all. It's too heavy. So, from this activity, we need to apply force to push something. And also, we need to apply force to pull something. So, to move any object around you, any object that you need to move, to change this object from one place or one point into another place or another point, what you need to do? You need to push or pull. Nice.
Yes.
Okay, so from this small activity or this small experiment, can you guess our lesson today? We'll talk about what?
Forces.
Nice. Who said that?
Mariam will tell me.
Mariam. Gift for Mariam. Pew pew.
Thank
Nice.
you.
Okay, so thank you, Mariam. I need the two other Mariams and Abdurrahman. You are sharing, and Lara also. And also Mariam. We have Mariam. Okay, so today we will talk about the force. What is the force? The force, that's the hidden power inside your body or the hidden power inside any object. You can use this hidden power or you use this force to move or push an object or pull an object. Okay. Yeah, mister. Now, let's see. I will present. Here we have the PowerPoint. Yes. Thank you. So, our lesson today, we will talk about what forces do. Imagine from your daily life, from your activities, from anything around you. Imagine what forces can do. Can do what? Abdurrahman, can do what? Move what?
They can move many stuff.
Yes. What about move the car?
Yes.
The force can move the car. The car itself has a force to move it.
No, that's if it has a full. Yeah.
Yes,
The wheels.
the fuel inside the car and
Yeah.
the engine or the motor, both of them work together to produce a force to move the car. If you will press the benzene, or if you will press, it will go. What about any object else? Imagine Laura, Mariam.
A bicycle?
Yes, a bicycle. A bicycle, yeah, mister. How to move the bicycle? Push the pedal of the bicycle. Push the pedal of the bicycle using your legs, 2 legs. Nice.
Yeah.
What else need force?
Boat?
The boat. Nice. Yes, nice, Mariam. The boat need what? Need a force to move it through the water. What else need force to move?
A door?
A door. To open or close a door need a force from you. To open the handle of the door and pull it to open the door, and hold the handle of the door to push the door to close it. So to open or close a door, you need to make pull or push. Nice. Okay, yeah, mister, what about our devices at home? We have many devices at home. These devices, yeah, mister, at home need what to work?
A clip?
Need what? Yes, Mariam. Yes, Ma Abdul Rahman, need electricity. So electricity as a power can make force to switch on or to work all these devices using or need electricity. So today we will talk about how or what forces do to move the object. Here, through this activity, Abdurrahman, what can you describe through this lesson? Can you read?
Yeah.
Yes. I can describe.
I can describe what forces are and what forces do.
Nice. You can describe what forces are and also what forces can do. Can do for what? For any object to move. Okay. Through this lesson today, we have many key words. The first one is the force. What is the force? From the activity, the hidden power inside the object, or the power inside the object itself to move the object, to move it from one point to another one. And also we have exert, to exert this force, to exert this effort. And also we have the speed. Speed. Yeah, mister, what is the relationship between the speed itself and the force? Imagine the car, yeah, mister. Abdurrahman, you told me the car. The car need what? Need fuel, need engine to make motion. Yeah, mister, after it will make motion, travel, it will make a speed. After increasing the motion of the car, it will make a speed, high speed or low speed. So there is a relationship between the speed and the force itself of the object. And also we have the mass. Mister, what is the relationship between the force and the mass? The mass, that's the amount of particles inside the object itself. But what's the relationship between that as a mass and the force?
It depends on the mass.
Huh? Nice. It depends on the mass. طب يا mister, remember our activity. If the mass is increased, so you need more force. If the mass is little or decreased, the force is low. Nice. If you need to move big mass, you need to exert more effort, more force. If you need to push a small object with a small mass, just small force. Nice. So,
No.
Mariuma, who's Mariam? I have 3 Mariams today. The first Mariam, I need you to read the forces are what?
Forces are the pushes and pulls the objects exert
Yes.
on each other.
Nice. Second Mariam? Second
You say
Mariam,
that
unmute yourself.
forces on
Yes.
the other objects.
Yes, we say that object exert forces on other objects. How, ya mister? Objects as us, as humans, exert forces on other objects that you need to move. You need to move a box, so your object, your body as an object, exert an effort or exert forces to move this object. The third Mariam, what about the speed? Huh, Mariuma, unmute yourself. The speed of, huh? Mariuma, the third Mariam, are you here? Refers to the second Mariam or third Mariam? Second Mariam, the speed of.
The speed of an object is how fast it is going.
Nice. The speed of an object is how fast it goes. How fast it goes through the object. If the object is with big mass, it needs more force to increase the speed. If the object with less mass, it needs less force to make a speed. طب يا مستر Lara, what about the mass itself? The mass of
And
Lara. Yes.
the mass of an object can be thought of as a
Thought.
of material making up the object.
Nice. The mass of an object can be thought of as the amount of materials. Amount of materials, yeah, Mr. Y. If you have a small mass like this mobile phone, this is a small mass comparing with a car. This small mass, you need to move it. So the amount of materials or amount of particles in this object, it's low. So it's easy to move. طب يا مستر, about the car, if you need to push a car, the car with big mass, because it includes a huge amount of materials, a huge amount of particles. So you need to exert more force. Nice. So today, what forces do? We will talk about throwing, catching, and pushing. Yeah, Mr. Da, what is that? We have a girl here. I think she's playing basketball or volleyball. Lara, Mariam. What's you prefer? Basketball or volleyball? Volleyball?
Basketball.
Basketball? How
Yeah.
many basketball?
One.
Who prefer basketball? Raise your hand. Who prefer volleyball? Okay, yeah, Mister, both of them, you need to hold the ball and throw it. Throw it, yeah, Mister, to move the object or move the ball itself. You need to exert force. You need to exert a force, yeah, Mister, from your body, because you have the effort, you have the power to exert this force to move or throw up this ball. So to throw a ball, you have to exert what? To exert a force on this ball. طب يا Mr. now, this ball will raise up, and then it will lose the force, and then it will go down. Go down, yeah, Mister. Which another force will pull the ball downward to the earth, downward to the floor? Guess. Which force will pull? What? Gravity. Who said that? Lara, Mariam.
Second Mariam.
Second, Laura. Nice. Second, Mariam. Sorry. So you will exert an effort from your body. It will transfer from your hand to the ball itself, and then the ball will take the force to go up, 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 and then it will increase the speed traveling up to the sky. And then, yeah, mister, after the ball will lose the force, the speed will decrease, decrease, decrease to stop at a point in the sky, and then it will go down to the floor. Which force pull the ball downward? As Mariam said, the gravity. So to throw a ball faster rather or higher, what you need to exert a bigger force. Bigger force? Why, Mr. Exert bigger force? I have a small ball. If you have a small ball, Abdurrahman, if you have a small ball, you have, or you, sorry, you need a big force or little force?
Well, to do what?
To throw a ball up, like volleyball or basketball.
More?
You need, if you have a small ball, so you need to exert
Alright.
more
No,
force
more,
or
more.
little force or more force.
More.
Man, Abdurrahman, you have a small ball. A small ball needs more
Okay.
effort or little bit
More.
effort.
Oh, you mean the heaviness? Yeah, mass.
Yes. If the ball is
Small
small,
force.
just a small force. But if you have a big ball like the basketball, you need to exert more effort to throw up this ball with more force. Nice, Abdurrahman. So you also need to exert a greater force, as we said, to throw a heavier ball at the same speed. Mr. What about if you have a bowling ball? You know bowling? Bowling ball, it's too
Yeah.
heavy. Yes,
Yeah.
to play the bowling ball, to pull it or throw it up. You must throw it up. You need more force or little force?
More floors.
More force. Nice. Who said that?
Second area.
Second Laura or second Mariam. So, ya Mariuma, three Mariumas we have. If you have an object with more mass, you need to exert more effort. If you have an object with a small mass, you need to exert more force or little force?
Little
Laura?
force.
Nice. Who said that? Laura or Mariam?
Mariam.
Mariam. We have second Mariam. What about first Mariam and third Mariam? Abdurrahman. Keep going. So, what are two factors that affect the size of the force needed to throw a ball? We have two factors affecting on the force that you need to throw a ball. What they are? The speed you want to give the ball. If you need, if you need to throw the ball, or if you need this ball to travel faster, so you need to throw it with more force. If you need this force to travel slower, so just make a small force. Like the football players, Muhammad Salah for sure. If Muhammad Salah, yes, if Muhammad Salah wants to pass the ball gently to another player, just make small force, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, but if Muhammad Salah need the ball to travel faster to another football player to score the goal, he will kick the ball with a very strong force. So if you need the object to travel faster with more speed, you need to exert more effort. If you need this object to travel slower or gently, so just a gentle force, that you need. So what? Because of the distance or weight you want it to reach. The second factor that about the mass of the ball. If Muhammad Salah will kick a small ball, like the ball of any small ball game, small, Muhammad Salah need to exert more effort or gentle effort? Huh? More force or gentle force?
Gentle effort.
Yes, if we have a small ball, so you can just exert gentle force. If Muhammad Salah with a big ball of the football kick this big ball, he needs more effort. So what about that? We have a girl. She's facing a ball. Do you see that?
Yes.
She's catching the ball.
Yes, catching the ball. Imagine if Muhammad Salah will kick the ball to score the goal into the goalkeeper. Goalkeeper, for example, goalkeeper for Manchester United. The goalkeeper of Manchester United, if Muhammad Salah will push or kick the ball with very big or huge amount of force, so the goalkeeper of Manchester United need to exert more effort to catch the ball or just gentle effort to catch the ball?
More.
More.
Yes, more, actually more. The ball is very fasting in front of him,
And
so
he has
he needs more effort to catch the ball. But
and
if
he has
Muhammad
to do like
Mm,
steady, like a ready stance, so his
yes,
body will be strong
yes,
and that he can catch the
he can
ball.
catch the ball
Like,
easily, but
yeah.
he can exert an effort with his arms to catch the ball. But yeah, mister, if Muhammad Salah will kick the ball with gentle force, easily the goalkeeper of Manchester United will hold the ball. So if the object you will face in front of you, if this object with a big force, so this girl or the goalkeeper will exert more effort, more force to stop it. But if Muhammad Salah will kick the ball gently, the goalkeeper gently, easily will hold or catch the ball. Easy peasy, lemon squeeze. Okay, mister, he will catch the ball. But what about the direction of the ball? The direction of the ball in the same direction or in the opposite direction? Yani, if you are standing here and a ball, you are facing a ball in front of you, to catch this ball in the same direction of the ball or in the opposite direction of the ball. Huh? Ball is here and you need to catch. The ball is here. You need to catch the ball in the same direction of the ball or in the opposite direction of the ball.
Same way.
No.
Same. Who agree with same? Who agree with opposite? The ball is go here, and you need to catch it from the same direction or from the opposite direction. Opposite direction. Yes,
Yeah.
the ball is here, and you need to stop it, to catch it. So you need to catch it in the opposite direction. In the same direction, the ball is here and you are here. How to catch all of you in the same direction? How to catch? No, in the opposite direction you can catch. So a faster ball would be more difficult to stop, as we said about Muhammad Salah and the goalkeeper. So to stop a faster ball, what you need? What about Mariuma? I need Mariuma to read. You have to
You have to cause a greater change in speed.
Nice. And what else?
You have to exert a greater force.
Big clap for Mariuma. Okay. What about the second one? I need the second Mariuma or third Mariuma. Third Mariuma. A heavier ball would also be more difficult to stop. We talked about this example. So, what you need to stop this ball? This ball is heavier. Here, like the mobile phone, the ball is heavier, and you need to catch it in the same direction or in the opposite direction. Huh? Who can answer me?
I think in the same direction this time.
How? How? This mobile phone like heavier object. Heavier object travel to this direction, and you need to catch. You need to stop it. To stop it in the opposite direction in front of the ball, or in the same direction is here, and in the same direction is here. How to catch? You are going in this direction and the ball this direction. How to catch? How to stop? No stopping. To stop in the opposite direction. Clear? Understood?
Yes.
All of you understood? Abdurrahman, Triple, Mariuma, and Laura?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. The third Mariuma. With a heavier ball, there is more what to stop. Huh? With a heavier ball, there is more what to stop. Heavier ball. So we have more force, okay, but the ball itself has
Also mass.
more what?
No.
Yes. More mass. Heavier ball, heavier object with more mass. Light or small ball or light object with less mass. So, here, ya mister, we have a small activity or small question. Which tennis ball is the most difficult to stop? We have number A, ball 1. Ball 1, ya mister, with speed equal 3 meters per second. Ball B or ball number 2, its speed was 8 meters per second. And choose number C, both are the same. How, ya mister? Ball number 1 with 3 meters per second speed. Ball number 2 with 8 meters per second speed. Which tennis ball is the most difficult to stop? Which one? Ball number 1, ball number 2, both of them? Who can answer?
I think B.
Ball number
Ball
2.
number, yes, ball number 2. The answer is B, ball number 2, because it has more speed, like the ball of Muhammad Salah. He kicked the ball with a strong force, so the ball will travel with a the ball will travel with more speed, so it's too difficult to stop it, to catch it. But if Muhammad Salah will kick the ball with 3 meters per second, 3 meters per second, ya mister, it's easy to catch. So, which one needs more force? It's too difficult or most difficult to stop? Ball number 2. Now, ya mister, now, question number 2. How would you explain your answer? Why we choose ball number 2? Because number A, it's faster. B, it's slower. C, it's the same size and mass of ball. D, it has more force. E, it has less force. Why we choose ball number 2?
A and D.
What?
A and D, because it's faster by the speed and
Yes.
throwing it is getting more force on the ball.
A and D. It's faster, and D, it has more force. Nice. Who answers that?
But it
Mariam.
only says
The first
that let's choose
Okay.
one option.
Okay, choose one, or we can choose 2.
No, it says choose one option.
Okay, choose one option. But number D, little bit, we can catch it. Little bit. But it's so clear number A. It is faster. Nice. Anybody has another answer or another idea?
Yes.
Huh? What's your idea?
If it was 2, I've already said it would be A and D. Because D,
Yes.
it was
Ah.
force.
Yes, ball number 2 with A, it's faster, and D, it's more force. Yes, it has more speed, so it has more force. But we need to choose just one example. Sorry, just one answer. So the most clear answer, it is number A. Number D, yes, it's nearly to be right. It's right, okay, but more clearly, it will be number A. Nice, as we said. Yeah, Mister, here, if you have a greater mass, also makes it more difficult to change direction. To change direction, Mister, like what? What we have examples here? The supermarket car, the trolley. Yeah, Mister, wake up. Why you are muting yourself? Wake up. Yeah, Mister, in the first of the trolley here, if the trolley is empty, so it's easy to push, to move with the trolley. But if you are going through the shopping and put some luggage into the trolley, so it will be heavier or smaller, heavier or lighter? Heavier, yes. After putting more luggage inside the trolley, it will be more heavier. So you will feel the trolley is heavier now. You will exert more effort to push it to finish your shopping time. That's right?
Yes.
Nice. So this example cover our idea. Increase the mass, increase the force that you need, and you will push more. So it needs a greater force. Who can read? Who? Abdurrahman? It needs what?
Yeah. The full trolley would be more. A greater mass also makes it more difficult to change direction. The full trolley would be more difficult to push around the corner. If
Super
it needs a
Abdurrahman.
greater force to turn it because there is more mass to change direction.
Super Abdurrahman. Thank you so much. So here we have a small activity. I need the triple Mariuma. Mariuma A, Mariuma B, Mariuma C. Mariuma A, trolley 2 is more difficult to get moving.
Yes.
Yes, which one? I'm sure this is correct. I think this is correct. I think that's incorrect. I'm sure it's not or incorrect. Huh? Which one?
I'm sure this is correct.
Nice, the first one. Okay, second Mariuma, like Super Mariuma number 1. Mariuma number 2. Trolley 2 is more difficult to stop.
I don't think so because trolley 1 would be faster, like when
Yes.
it's so trolley 2 would be heavier, so it would not be that fast, so it could be easy.
So which one you can choose?
I think this is incorrect.
This is incorrect. Why? Let's rethink again. Trolley number 2 with more luggage, so it's heavier. Trolley number 1 without any luggage, so it's lighter. So number 1 is lighter, needs little bit force. Number 2 with more luggage, it has more mass, it's heavier, so you need more effort or more force to push it. Okay, Mister. Trolley number 2, it's more difficult to stop. More difficult to stop the strong or heavier object.
No. So I think it is correct.
Yes, it's correct. Okay, mister. We can play a game with your brother or sister, Mariuma. If you are in the supermarket and you have the trolley with luggage, you will push it in front of your brother. Your brother will exert more effort to stop it or little bit effort to stop it.
Uh, more force?
Yes, more force to stop it. So heavier object needs more force or it's difficult to stop it. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, Mariuma number 3. Mariam, the third Mariam. Trolley number 2 is more difficult to change direction. Easy to change direction with heavier objects, with heavier trolley number 2, or difficult to move? Difficult to move. Huh? Third Mariuma, are you with us?
I think she left already.
She left. Okay, what about Lara? Lara,
What?
are you with us?
Yeah.
Okay, Lara, trolley number 1, it's lighter. Trolley number 2 with more luggage, it's heavier. If you are holding trolley number 2 in the supermarket and you need to change the direction left or change the direction right, to change the direction, you will exert more effort. It's difficult to change the direction.
It's difficult.
Nice. Difficult to change the direction. It's heavy. Needs more effort to go right or go left. So it's too difficult. Thanks, Lara. Super superior. Okay, here else we have a question. We have A, B, C, D. Which bowling ball would be most difficult to stop? Which one it's too difficult to stop? We have bowling ball number A with 8 kilograms and 3 meter per second. Okay. Ball number B with 8 kilograms and 10 meter per second. Okay. Ball number 3 with 16 kilograms and 3 meter per second. Okay, ya mister. What about ball number D? Ya lahwi. Oh my gosh. That has 16 kilograms with 10 meter per second. Which one will be difficult to stop? Most one to stop. Most one difficult to stop. Which one, Abdurrahman? A, B, C, D.
D.
Nice. What about you, Mariuma? Mariam number 1. A, B, C, D.
I think it's D.
D. Nice. What about second Mariuma?
I also think it's D.
Nice. What about Lara? A, B, C, D. E, F, G. D. Nice. All of you are correct. Why, ya mister? Ya mister, you told us increase the mass of the object needs more force to move. And also increase the speed needs more force like the goalkeeper to stop it. So, yeah, mister, in number D, we have both. We have the heavier weight and also we have the faster speed. So, ball number D, it's most difficult to stop. So, it's most difficult to stop. All of you are right. Why? as we said, because ball number D, first Mariuma, ball number D has, you can read.
Ball number D has the highest mass and highest speed. It needs the greatest force to stop it.
Nice. Thank you, Mariuma. Yeah, Mister, let's go to finish this sheet. I will share it with you. Sorry, I will stop sharing this PowerPoint. I will share this activity or this sheet. 1 second. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. That. Okay. Can you see this sheet? This sheet?
Yes.
Okay. I will zoom in more. Okay. Here, our force that's called what? Sorry, our lesson that's called what forces do. Number 1. Start with Abdul Rahman. Can you read an answer?
Yes. When one object pushes or pulls on another object, what do we call the push or pull?
Yes.
Force.
Nice, Abdurrahman. Big clap for you. Start with following with Lara. Lara, a force is always a or a pull. As Abdurrahman said, a or pull.
Push.
Push or pull. Thanks, Lara. Big clap for you. First, Mariuma, following with you. If we have number 3, if they were thrown at the same speed, we have 2. Would a tennis ball, how many? What's mass? 60 grams. Or a cricket ball with 160 grams be harder to stop? Which one will be harder to stop? The tennis ball with 60 grams or cricket ball with 160 grams? Choose one.
I think it would be the cricket ball.
The cricket ball, yes. Why? Because it has.
Because it has more mass.
Nice, Mariuma. Super superior. Second, Mariuma. Following with you. Number 4. Which one of these is a force? Which one of these is a force? We have a waterfall. We have electric current. We have a car's engine. Number 4, the push or of your hand on a door. The last one, the movement of a rolling ball. Which one of all of these is a force?
The push of your hand on a door.
Push of your hand on a door to close the door. طب يا mister, if you need to open the door, what you need? What? Pull the door, yes. So to move any object around you, any object as you imagine, to move it, push or pull. Push or pull. Okay. The third Mariuma, Mariam number 3. Are you here with us or left? Mariuma. Are you here? We have Mariuma here. No, Zaki. Where are you? We have Abdurrahman. We have Laura, Mariam. No Mariam, no other Mariam. Mariam Kandil. First Mariam, second Mariam. No, Zaki. The third Mariam. Where is the third Mariam? Hello, third Mariam. Are you here? No, third Mariam. Just we have 2 Mariams here. Mariam, the first Mariam, are you here?
Yes.
Second Mariam, are you here?
Yes.
Laura, Abdurrahman.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Continue with you. Who's the last one? Second, Maryam. Who's the
Yes.
last one? Okay, let's recycle with Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman.
Forces make things change. Which of the
Yeah.
following statements are true? Tick 3 answers.
Yes.
Forces can
Okay.
change an object's shape.
Nice.
No.
Okay. Forces can
Forces can
change
change the
direction.
direction of an object's motion. Yes.
Yes. Okay. طب let's
Forces.
finish. Let's finish if we have another one. Ah, yeah, mister, take care. Here in the question, take 3 correct answers. We have 3 correct answers. Finish, Abdurrahman. Yes.
Forces can change the material from a material. The material an object is made of. That is correct. Forces can change the speed of
Nice.
an object. That is correct.
Nice, Abdurrahman. So we have number 1, the first one that's cancel out. Forces can change an object shape. Yes or no? No. We need to, but yeah, mister, we need just to change the object itself. It change the direction or change the position from one point into another point. So number 2, forces can change the direction of an object's motion. That's okay. Forces can change the material an object is made of. That's okay. Forces can change the speed of an object. That's okay. طب يا مستر about number 1. Forces can change the object's shape in general. That's right or wrong? Hmm? Mariam.
Right. That's right.
Yes. Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
You know Smash Burger?
Yes.
Do you love Smash Burger?
Yeah.
Yes, a Smash Burger, that's a normal shape of the burger. To make it
Yeah.
smash, exert more effort to smash it, to change the shape of the burger itself, to smash it. That's right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly right. Yeah, mister, to make smash burger, push or pull? Huh? Easy.
Push.
Yes, push the burger itself, the meat of the burger itself, push it to smash it to make smash burger. And put a cheese, cheddar. Do you love cheddar? Mariam, or Lara, do you love burger? Smash burger, it's okay. Do you need to add to add cheese,
Yeah.
cheddar or mozzarella?
Cheddar.
Cheddar. Okay, do you love that?
Yeah.
Okay, the last question that we have. Who can answer? All of us will think about it. Who can read? The teacher
Me.
or Lara or Mariam? Who? Me?
Me. I want to read.
What? You're Lara or Mariam?
Mariam too.
Lara too. Okay, start Lara. And all of us will think with Lara. Start Lara.
I'm Mariam, not Lara.
Sorry, Mariuma. Let's start.
Okay. Which of the following forces act on the moving speedboat? The speedboat is driving forwards. Tick one
Nice.
correct.
Take one correct answer. Let's read the answers clearly to choose the exact most truly one. Let's focus with Mariam. Yalla ya Mariam, start and continue.
A gravitational force, a downwards pull from Earth, an upwards force an upwards push from the water, air resistance, a backward force from the air as the boat moved through it, none of the above, all of the above.
All of the above. Why, mister? We have what? We have, mister, here gravitational force. Gravitational force can pull the boat down to make it stable on the water. Number two, upthrust force. What is this force, mister? This force to make the boat up on the water, not to sink down.
Is it
Up.
like
Nice.
something up, like it's something
Yes, to
pushing-
make the object itself or the boat itself up the water. That's called upthrust. And the gravitational can pull the boat down, not to make the boat travel to the sky. And the third one, air resistant. Air resistant, mister? Yes, air resistant, mister. The boat is moving and he will face air resistant in front of his moving. He is moving, right? That in front of him, he will face air resistance. So he will face three forces. To pull it down, gravitational force, to make it stable on the water, upthrust force, and the air resistant in front of him. Oh, sorry, in front of it. So that's all of the above. The lesson today understood for all of you, or comme ci, comme ça, or none? Understood
It
good?
is understood.
All of that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Abdurrahman, Mariam, Laura, it's okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Who can give me the ideas of this lesson? What we talked about?
It was how fast was related to the mass and the speed. And yeah.
Wallahi, Mariam, a big clap. Abdurrahman, can you mention anything else?
The force and the motion and the gravitational force and the field.
Yes, big clap for Abdurrahman else. What about second, Mariuma and Laura? Anything else? Any ideas from the lesson?
The mass can change the way you push something or you pull it.
Yes. Nice. The mass. What else? The mass can change or can affect on the motion of the object itself. What about the direction? What about the speed?
If there is more mass in an object, then
Yes.
it'd be harder for someone, like if it, for example, if it was a ball, if there was more mass in the ball and more speed, then it would be harder to catch or throw, kind of.
Wallahi, all of you, Abdurrahman, Laura, Mariam, you are super superior. Big clap for you all. From my deep heart to all of you. Thanks for this lesson. Thanks for your sharing, your focusing with me, your sharing. I will send the link of the activity to play. You can play it freely. The activity, you got the link from the chat box. I will send it to you on the platform.academy. بإذن الله. See you next lesson.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. It's time to say bye-bye.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good afternoon or good evening on your time. Time zone. Good afternoon or evening?
Evening.
Good evening. Okay, good evening. Assalamu alaikum. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next session بإذن الله. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.